Hi peeps, dit is Jenny van Disrupt Tutoring. En soos altyd is dit 'n plesier om by julle aan te sluit. Vandag gaan ek praat oor die indirekte rede. Today we're going to learn about indirect speech, or as I call it, reported speech, when you report somebody else's words. Kyk na sin nommer 1. Sarah sê, ek sal my kamer skoonmaak. Sarah says, I will clean my room. Someone's going to report her words. Sarah says that she will clean her room. Daar's twee dinge wat ons moet onthou. There are two things to remember. Number 1, we always use a conjunction of group 3, and therefore the verbs go to the end of the sentence. And number 2, we need to change the pronouns to be logical. Twee goed wat ons moet onthou. Die voegwoord wat ons gebruik vir sinne, for sentences, is dat, wat groep 3 is, en daarom kom die werkwoorde aan die einde van die sin, en ons moet die voornaamwoorde verander, om logies te wees. Kom ons probeer nommer 1. Sarah sê, ek sal my kamer skoonmaak. Kom ons onderstreep die werkwoorde. Let's underline the verbs as always. Sal skoonmaak. Kom ons begin. Sarah sê dat. For sentences, we use the conjunction dat, and so my verb sal skoonmaak is going to go to the end of the sentence. But let's logically change the pronouns. Sarah says, I will clean my room. Sarah says that she will clean her room. Dat sy haar kamer sal skoonmaak. Logical pronouns, sy, haar. Verb to the end of the sentence, sal skoonmaak. Change the pronouns to be logical and take the verbs to the end of the sentence because dat, which we use for sentences, is a conjunction of group 3. Nou kyk na nommer 2. 2 sê, Piet het gesê, ek speel vandag hokkie. Kom ons onderstreep die werkwoord, speel. Right. But look, my introduction is in the past tense. Piet het gesê. Therefore it tells me that the reporting is taking place at a different time to the direct speech. Therefore, specific adverbs of time need to change to be logical. Vandag hierso, the word vandag, means today. But if it's being reported on a different day to when Pete talked, we need to change the description of today and change it with reference to the day on which he talked. So vandag would change to daardie dag. Piet het gesê dat hy, let's change my pronoun logically. We can't say vandag anymore, we've got to say daardie dag, the day on which he talked. Hokkie. But now there's a second change that needs to take place. Because the introduction is past tense, the verb needs to change to the past tense as well. Gespeel het. Let's repeat. When the introduction is in the past tense, we need to change a specific adverb of time to refer to the day on which the person talked, and we need to change the verb to the past tense. Of course, we also need to change my pronoun to be logical. Pete said, I play hockey today. Pete said that he played hockey on that day. Voordat ek afsluit, wil ek net baie dankie sê aan ons Epic Borgmaatskappy wat hierdie video moontlik gemaak het. Lees alles oor hulle in die beskrywing hieronder. Onthou om ons webtuiste te besoek vir meer van hierdie Epic Studieklas video's. As jy nie die antwoord op jou vraag kan vind nie, stuur vir ons die vraag en ons sal antwoord met 'n persoonlike video net vir jou.